inefficient. Here, we can see price broke structure after this consolidation. Marking these three candles, we can see a gap between the wick of the first candle and the wick of the third candle. This forms a fair value gap and therefore this market is considered inefficient. On the other hand, the second price is considered efficient. As you can see, there is no gap between the candle wicks, hence it has no fair value gap. When a supply or demand zone has a fair value gap, price is likely to revisit the zones to execute the pending buy or sell orders before the next expansion move. Let's see how to identify fair value gap and imbalances on a real chart. But before we continue, if you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this channel. We value your support. Here we have a bullish market breaking recent structure highs. We can see this aggressive bullish impulse after this consolidation creating buy-side imbalance and sell-side inefficiency. This creates this imbalance and a valid demand zone. This zone acts as a magnet to price. We expect price to pull back, mitigate this fair value gap and seek the next external buy-side liquidity. Price does exactly that.